Hello guys, welcome to the new video, and today I'm going to show you that how you can create business pages on Facebook and also manage them. So to create a business page, you have to just follow my steps. Now click on the pages here, and here are like your pages. I only have one page as of now, but if you want to like create a new page, you have to just click on this. What we're gonna see here is that we have a meta business site, inbox, insights, discover, like pages, invitations, etc. So creating business pages on Facebook is like a really nice thing, because with the help of Meta Business Suite and Insights option, we can really manage our business and take it to the next level. So we will discuss about that later on. First of all, what we're gonna do is we have to create the page. So you have to create a new page, and then you have to enter like your page name. Let's say this, and a category. I'll just add this as my category, and bio, it is optional, so you can add your bio here if you want to, but as of right now I'm just gonna skip that. Okay, so now what we have to do is you can actually review your page, that how it is looking right now on your phone like this, and on your desktop it will look like this. So now click on next, and you can add your profile picture or cover picture from here, and you can add action button also from here. Click on next. Now you have to add your WhatsApp phone number, and you can skip it and build your page audience. Now what you're gonna do is you have to, it's good if you invite your friends. If you don't want, just leave it and then click on next. Stay informed about your page, and okay, we will just uh select this and then done. So yes, my page has been created, and now what you're gonna see here is that get here to start tour of your new page. I don't want that. What you can do with this page is that you can actually go to your professional dashboard, insights at center, create ad settings, Meta Business Suite, and you can here see you can add your profile picture from here, you can add your cover picture from here, and here you will see these three buttons. Now promote, manage, and edit. These are like the most basic and important options that Facebook page give us. So if you click on promote, you gonna select the post that you want to choose, and you can select the ad type, and then you have to just click on promote, create new ad, get started with automated ads, etc. And with manage, you can actually like get into your activities that you have done on this page, and you can see like recent posts, recent messages, post reach, post engagement, new pages, likes, and easily switch between your pages, news feed, etc. and with the edit option, you can edit your page, cover photo, avatar, and you can add your bio here. Just have to click add or edit, customize your intro, edit, hobbies, add, features, add, etc. You can add your welcome post here, you can link your WhatsApp account from here, and people won't see these unless you pin something. You can pin something, and let's say you have pinned some of a post, and it will be appear in featured options. So that's it for the basics of your page, but there are still these options. You can go on about, you can go on mentions if someone has mentioned you, you can go on your reviewers if you want to check your followers, and you can go to here if you want to check your photos, go here, and more. Here you can see your videos, live groups, music, questions, check-in, sport, film, TV programs, book like review given, manage sections, etc. But now the main options that we are most concerned with, and they are the most helpful, is professional dashboard. So with professional dashboard, here it is. It's almost as same as your insights, and when you will go to like insights, you can see your post reach, post engagement, new pages, likes, new followers, etc. You can create a post directly from here, and you can go to Meta Business Suite from here as well, but I will go to Meta Business Suite from here later on. Now here on Ad Center, you can create ads or manage ads. To create ads, you have to go here. Like if you go to here, you can manage your ads, like what is your post engagement, link clicks, and reach, that how many accounts it has reached. And you can select the days, let's say 7 days, or let's say 90 days. You have not created a ad yet, so you can create an ad from here. Let's just go back, and here we are gonna see is Meta Business Suite. So in Meta Business Suite, what we have are like the one of the most important features. Now if you go to Meta Business Suites, it will automatically be providing you some of the best options that it have with Facebook business pages. You can go to notifications, you can go to inbox, or you can go to planners, you can go to ads. You can also like plan things with uh, your Facebook page from here, or you can go to ads to create your ads and ad summary or all ads. You can go to insights. Now here are insights are like pretty much same everywhere actually. Options that Facebook business page provide on it, the page itself are itself from Meta Business Suite, so some of the options will be having same interface. You can go to his overview, results, audience, feedback, benchmarking, overview, content, etc, etc. You can check your audience, that how are they engaging and from where are they, from what are their countries and what are their town cities, etc. You can check your feedback, that what is your average rating of your page or post and what is the response. And you can benchmark the important spikes or etc, or like important posts, etc. And this is like the basic overview that is also provided on the business page itself. And here you can also set goals, result, content, audience, etc, etc. Now I'll just go to home again, and I'll just go to all tools, and here in all tools I can create post, story, go live, add all the things from the same here. And to engage audience, we have these options like business feed, game streaming, inbox planner, post and stories. Ad for advertising, we have ads manager, audience, event manager, and instant forms. For manage, we have account quality, billing, business apps page. Now I will be coming to business apps after I have just gone through all these. And we have page settings, view page, ad reporting, insights, appointments, order, services, etc, etc. Now for the business apps, just click on it, and here you will be like seeing tons and tons of business apps that are like associated with Facebook business, and you can use them to create your high quality content and etc. Activity scheduling, and we have like appointment, make it easy for people to book services. So if you want to have like the apps to manage your Facebook business, you can go to here. For e-commerce, we have BigCommerce. This is like a really good. Now if you search about it, it will say that display and sell your products across Facebook and Instagram. By this one app, you can create and create like powerful ads or posts, and it will like display your products across Facebook and Instagram, which will automatically increase your insights. By insights I mean like it will increase your engagement, click-through rate, and etc, etc. Cafe 24 and these. And now in creative, we are gonna see Canva. Now for Canva, it's like a really great app and most of the people know how to use it. And Shutterstock was also like an Vimo video editor. So here are the creative apps. You can like actually make videos from here, and these apps are free. And measurement, optimization, get detail, blah blah blah. You can actually have Amazon Central Conversion Sync by Zapper included, and these and so yes, these are like all the apps that Facebook is associated with. You can just use them to create better and better content, and this will increase and really help you to grow your business page and business across the online platforms. So the business meta suite is like a really versatile thing in the business pages. You have ad reporting, insight, appointment, order, services, etc, etc, which are like really great to manage your business pages. Now let's say it's fine if you have a business page, but if you want to switch to your actual page, you can go to switch to your account, and you can also mess with your setting and privacy settings here. Help and support, display accessibility, log out from here. And you can also go to Meta Business Suite from here, and like you can go into these settings, and then again you can go to Meta Business Suite. So uh, Meta Business Suite is like the most important feature that business pages give us nowadays. And all these options that you see, promote, manage, edit, and all these options are also available with the Meta Business Suite. So yes guys, that's it for the video. And one more thing, if you have like 2 pages or 3 pages, you can see all pages and then select from right here. So guys, that's it for the video. And if you want me to make more detailed video about any topic related to this or any other content as well, you can just comment down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. Thank you guys. Bye bye.